In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to use the Not Linked section on Squarespace. Start off the process by going to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, navigate to the left corner of the screen and click on the option that says Pages. This will lead you to the panel where you will see the layout of your Squarespace site. In this panel, you will notice two main areas. The first area is the main navigation, which is designed for the pages that should appear in your site's menu. The second area is titled Not Linked, which is essentially where the pages that are hidden from the menu exist. Now, let's run through a scenario. Imagine you've created a hidden page that you now would like to be visible in your site's navigation. All you need to do is you click and hold the hidden page in the Not Linked section and drag it up into the main navigation section. This process is what we like to call moving a page to the menu. Once you've moved the page, you might be wondering how you can check to see if your action was successful. The answer is straightforward. As soon as you move the page from the Not Linked section to the main navigation section, it will automatically appear in your website's main menu, and this prompts you to confirm the change. Next, let's create a new page. To do this, you simply have to click on the plus icon that exists in the main navigation section. Once you do this, a drop-down menu will appear, providing a platform for you to create a new page. And there you go. You've successfully learned how to use the Not Linked section on Squarespace. I trust that this tutorial was helpful, and I encourage you to confidently navigate your Squarespace site in order to facilitate enriched user experience. Now that you've gained this knowledge, feel free to curate your website in the way that